Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Here today I'm just going to be potting some of my new nail sugar glitters, which I'll leave the link in the description box below and also on screen. So here we have Tink's Treasure. This is an absolutely stunning, beautiful glitter. Just look at that sparkle. It's so pretty. Just look at all those colours. It is literally like a treasure box. You know when you open it and you just see all that gold and different colours? Oh, I love it. Honeypot, this is our newest glitter. Oh, it's so beautiful, it's so pretty. All bright colours in there and all different shapes, which you'll see in a second. I cut open the bag and I forgot to open the pot, so I had to lay it down. Silly me. Oh, just look at all that yumminess. You've got to get that last little bit. Don't want to be wasting glitter now, do we? Would you like me to do a swatching video of any of these glitters? I have got absolutely tons of glitters and I need to swatch them all. So if you'd like to see a swatching video, then please let me know. Just look. Butterflies, different shapes, different colours. So pretty. Okay, so next up we've got Candy Tuft. Just look at those colours. Just zooming in there a little bit so you can see a little bit better even of them falling into the pot. So pretty. Again, get that last little bit of glitter out. Look. Oranges, pinks, purples. So pretty. Next up is Airy Fairy. This is like a princess glitter. It's absolutely beautiful if you like pink. I'm more of a blue kind of girl, but I do like pinks too. And well, it's growing on me. But this is beautiful. Taking my time, as you do. Just look, you've got little stars, little butterflies. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Next up is Disco Ball. This is beautiful. It's like silver and black together. I see where Karen got the name from because it does really look like a disco ball. What am I doing here? Oh, there I am. Just look, it's got holographic in it and everything. It's just so pretty. Definitely a must buy. Next up is Rainbow Sorbet. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. But anyway, just look. So many bright colours with silver glitter. These are a bit gorgeous with some neon sets. I never say it for all the glitters, but it's true. I just absolutely love them. Karen does the most perfect glitters. Just look how pretty that is. So pretty. Oh, spilt a bit. Oops. Next up is Fizzy Pop. This is a beautiful green with different colours in it. Nice and bright. I'm not a big green fan, but I do like this because I do like me neons. And this is so pretty. How pretty is that? So which one's your favourite? Let me know in the comments. I can't really choose a favourite out of these. I really don't know, I can't decide. Okay, here's some snapshots of the glitters. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you get notified on more videos. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!